Hi, my name is Winston, and I'm the founder and owner of MoveUp. And I just want to share quickly kind of how I got into the business and how I can help you with staffing, because you're probably a moving owner or some type of home service business owner. Just so you know, I've been in the moving business for close to 10 years now. I started off as a mover for a College Hunks hauling junk and moving franchise in Northern Virginia. And over the course of 4 years, I moved into sales management. And then in 2020, I decided to go into business for myself. I opened up MoveUp, started off as a sales training business, pivoted the business because I realized that the bigger need was hiring, recruiting, staffing. From there, over the last 4 years, my agency has been the #1 recruiter in the household industry, finding movers, drivers, sales, management, and other admin staff for moving companies. In 2024, my wife and I in Roanoke, Virginia, opened up Big Lick Moving. We started our own moving company and took the things we learned from working with hundreds of moving companies and put it into our own local business here in Roanoke. From there, we've been able to grow to a 7-figure moving company and be able to use our own recruiting services to build a 5-star machine business and have a great staff and build relationships all over our local community.